Hi, I'm Romy Maggio, your Nissan Insider, and I'm here to show you some of the amazing features of the one-of-a-kind Nissan Kicks. As you'll see, Kicks takes design, personalization, and technology to a whole new level. Right from the start, you can tell Kicks is like nothing else on the road. Just look at the blacked out pillars that frame the windows. They might seem like a small touch, but these are key to the Kicks' dramatic look. Let's say you go for a Kicks where the roof and the lower body are the same color. See how the blacked out pillars create a unique floating roof effect. Or look at one that offers different roof color options, and those blacked out pillars really make the roof pop. And with so many other colors to choose from, you can really dial up or dial down the color. On top of that, you can also use the Nissan Kicks Color Studio to add splashes of color, making a Kicks that is even more about you. Now inside, that personalization theme works in a completely different way. Something you might not expect. Your tachometer doesn't always have to be shown. Customizable gauges make it easy for you to get the information you choose displayed right in front of you. If you'd rather see your music displayed or other information, just click the switch. You can pick your own operating system as well. Just use the Nissan Connect interface or plug in your compatible phone and use the screen to access your phone's features. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it's never been easier. If you need the assistance of a navigation system, just launch your phone's map and it will be displayed on the touchscreen. Pretty cool, right? Nothing compares to a good set of headphones. Unfortunately, driving and headphones don't mix. Now, Kicks offers something better. The Bose Personal Plus audio system. With two Bose ultra near-field speakers built right into the headrest, it's almost like wearing a pair of headphones during every drive. The entire system is also customizable. Kicks has 6 speakers placed throughout the cabin in addition to the 2 in the headrest. Use the touchscreen to adjust where you want to place the sound. This creates a unique 360-degree listening experience like never before. And just like a high-end lounge chair you'd find at a contemporary furniture store, the Kicks features zero-gravity front seats. They're designed to not only be incredibly comfortable on long trips, but they can also help reduce fatigue. Put an exceptional sound system and comfortable seats together, and you'll have no problem dealing with traffic jams and long road trips. Nissan knows you and your passengers need to charge your devices every so often, so the designers placed a charge station for rear passengers here, with 2 USB charge points. Even the cup holders were designed to accommodate a couple of mobile devices. The driver also has a USB input up front with its own pocket. Kicks may be a compact SUV on the outside, but from the inside, you'd never know. With a huge rear seating area, larger rear doors, and a mostly flat floor, access and comfort for all your friends is clearly the goal here. Need to bring a lot of stuff? Open the rear hatch, and the 6-foot opening ensures you won't hit your head. There are even grocery bag hooks. With the seats up, you can fit all of this luggage. And with all the seats down, you can even bring a bike without having to remove a tire. Something especially cool, the rear cargo cover has its very own storage spot right behind the rear seat. No more taking it out and losing it somewhere along the way. Kicks' most useful feature just might be the intelligent around view monitor. This isn't a traditional camera system. Once engaged, it provides 2 views at all times, so you're super aware of your surroundings. You get a bumper view and overhead view when pulling into tight spaces. When backing into a spot, a rear view joins the overhead view. Kicks can also give you an on-screen heads-up when it detects moving objects near your vehicle. Getting in a freezing cold car in the morning can be miserable. With remote engine start system, you can prevent this from ever happening again. Just tap the button on the key fob and you can defrost the vehicle before you even get in it. Nissan Intelligent Mobility helps you drive smarter. When in drive, it senses what's ahead of you and what's on the side of you. And when in reverse, what's behind you. As you can see, the Nissan Kicks puts a whole new spin on style, personalization, and technology. Want to learn more? Check out nissanusa.com or visit your local Nissan dealer.